Good morning, students. The last class we are discussing about speed and velocity. What is the speed and what is the velocity? The definition also explained. The speed, the rate of change of distance is called speed. The unit is meter, and the rate of change of displacement is called velocity. The unit is meter by second. Okay, and the type of velocity and type of speed is also explained. Okay, and the measure formula v equal to d by t, that is a formula of velocity and already discussing for the last class. Okay, today we are learning about acceleration. So what is the acceleration, and what is the unit of acceleration and type of acceleration? Okay, some examples we learning about this class. Okay, and what is the acceleration? Acceleration, the rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Okay, so what is the acceleration? Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. Okay, other words, if a definition, in other words, if a body changing in speed or direction is said to be accelerated. Okay, so if we explain the acceleration definition for the two ways. What is the two ways? If a rate of change of velocity. Okay, so if a rate of change of velocity is mean some, if you're moving of car, if you're moving of car, if you initially is moving the car um, 0. Okay, and if moving of car is a 20 meter by second. Okay, so if rate of change of it's changing in velocity, suppose if a timing is a 2 second, it's mean the next 2 second is if a car moving the next 2 second. Okay, if a next 2 second, suppose if a again is 20 meter second versus mean if is in a uniform velocity. Okay, suppose if in next 2 second is moving for 30 meter second in versus mean if we changing the velocity. Okay, so if a definition explained is also same concept. If a what is the acceleration, if a rate of change of velocity is called acceleration, that is explain the concept. Okay, now otherwise if we explain the speed or direction also changes mean it's also velocity. If we briefly explain for the next concept. Okay, now so acceleration, what is the acceleration? Acceleration, the formula, acceleration equal to changing in velocity by time taken. Okay, so how many type of the velocity? There is a two type of velocity, final velocity and initial velocity. Okay, if you explain the formula, final velocity is a v and initial velocity is u. Okay, you know the one examples. If you initially zero velocity is mean initial velocity u, and final velocity is mean suppose if taken off this point and this point is mean this is a final velocity. Okay, suppose if we calculate the values this point and this point is mean if is an initial velocity u and final velocity v. Okay, so if your formula acceleration a equal to initial final velocity minus initial velocity divided by t, that is a formula. So a equal to v minus u by t. Generally the velocity of formula a equal to v by t, that is a definition. The rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Suppose if we last class already explained what is the velocity. Velocity equals in displacement by time taken. Okay, so if rate of change of changing displacement is called velocity, the rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Okay, are you clear? And the formula is same. If a equal to v minus u divided by t, what is a v, what is a u? V is called then final velocity and u is called then initial velocity. Okay, so the SI unit of acceleration is meter by second square. Okay, so the SI unit of velocity is meter by second. Okay, so if SI unit of acceleration is a meter by second square. Okay, so if your velocity is also by meter by second. Okay, so if your formula meter by second, that is mean. Okay, if you taken off meter second is this side, so meter by second square, that is a formula of acceleration. Okay, so okay, if in other words the object undergoes acceleration when its speed or direction changes. Okay, so speed or direction changes also is called acceleration. not only for the velocity changes, speed or direction changes also if a definition for acceleration. Okay, in changing in speed, if you explain the concept of changing in speed, I'm already explained one concept now. If a car moving off initially 30 meters second inverse, okay, 30 meters second inverse, if you're moving after this some few same time, if it's 20 meters second inverse and 30 meters second inverse, so 20 and 30, if it's changing in speed, okay, the speed changes is mean if also your acceleration, and direction changes if you're moving off direction initially this side, okay, this side, okay, and after is moving for off sometimes the direction it changes, so direction changes also is called acceleration. Then speed is changes also called acceleration. And if you're changing of both direction and speed, okay, 20 meters second inverse, 30 meters second inverse, the speed changes, direction is also changes if we call also the acceleration. That is an explain for of definition of acceleration. Okay, and if we given for some examples, the velocity at a different time of the time, okay, so if then a direction is given for the following of diagram, okay, so if you fill up the distance of travel by the train, okay, the initial velocity value and final velocity value, changing velocity, time taken, and acceleration changes of formula a equal to v minus u by t. Okay, that is the values substituting, the result is acceleration is if we calculate here. Okay, now if initially a to b, what is the a to b? So the train moving off a point to in b point, and a point, then velocity, then speed value 0 meter second inverse. This is initial of a train. Okay, it mean if the rest of the train of position. Okay, and if we few times is mean if is in 10 second, your 10 second is train is moving off 6 meter second inverse, after the 20 second 14 meter second inverse, and 30 second again 14 meter second inverse, and the 40 second and 6 meter second inverse. Okay, so if we calculate initial, final, and changing velocity, and also acceleration of value. Okay, now if we calculate a to b, what is a to b? You see, a to b. Okay, so if a to b value, how can you calculate it? The formula a equal to v minus u, if you taken for the two time, you know, so if it t2 minus t1 or tv minus tu, tv is mean of a final of velocity time, and tu is mean of initial of velocity time. Okay, so if you taken up formula a to b only, okay, a to b is mean a to the initial velocity value, initial velocity u 0 meter second inverse. Okay, so if final velocity v 6 meter by second. Okay, and the time initially 0 second and t2 is the 10 second. And if you substitute the value, acceleration of value a, so if you v minus u by t2 minus t1, so 6 minus 0, 10 minus 0, so 6 by 10. If you 6 by 10, if you cancelling value 0.6 meter second inverse, if it's the same value, if you given to here, okay, initial velocity is 0, final velocity is 6, and changing velocity is mean if you have 6 minus 0 also is 6, the time taken of value 10 second. If you substitute the value a equal to v minus u by t, so a value and sorry, v value and u value and t value, if you substitute here, that is a value of 0.6, correct only. So if you suppose if you calculate the second value b to c, so what is the b value, what is the c value? B value, if you have 6 meter second inverse, c value 14 meter second inverse. If the initial value is 6 meter second inverse and final value is 14 meter second inverse, correct? So if it's a t1 value 10, t2 value 20. Okay, if it's same formula substitute here. Okay, so b to c, if the initial value 6 meter second inverse and final value 14 meter second inverse, and t2 minus t1 20 minus 10, if a value is also 10 second. Okay, we substitute the value a equal to v minus u by t, and what is the value of v? 14, and what is the value of u? 6, divided by then t2 minus t1, if we directly substitute of t value 10. Okay, so 8 by 10, the value is 0.8. If we fill the second of column, 0.8 meter second square. Okay, so and with same value e to f. Okay, so what is the e to f? Is the value of e and f, correct? If the value of e and f, if e value, if initially of initial velocity of u, final velocity v is also if you taken of t1 and t2, correct? So 6 and 2. Okay, the same formula if you're substituting here, u value 6 and v value 2. Okay, and t value t2 minus t1 15 minus 40 10 second only. So a equal to b minus u by t equal to 2 minus 6. Okay, so v value 2 and v value v value 2 and u value 6 divided by 10. The value is 2 minus 6 minus 4 minus 4 divided by 10. The minus 4 divided by 10 is mean 0 point minus 0.4 meter second square. Okay, the value is minus, the remaining value is positive. You see the result, this value is positive and this value is positive, and but this value is negative. Okay, so if you explain of what is the negative of value, then for this topic one. Okay, so if you next section if you explain of briefly. Okay, now if you one question is asking for the sum. A car at rest started to travel in a straight path. They're reaching the velocity of 12 meters second inverse for the 4 second. What is the acceleration? Okay, so assume that the acceleration of uniformly. Okay, if you ask me the two question, what is the two question? uh, if a car initially moving off velocity 12 meters second inverse in 4 meters second inverse for reaching the velocity is 12 meters second inverse. Initially the u value is 0 and t value is 0, correct? If you 4 second, after the 4 second is moving for 12 meters second inverse. So if a diagram is clearly explained, initial velocity, final velocity, initial of time value, final of time value. If you calculate the acceleration value, and if your acceleration if uniform or not or non-uniform, if you explain also. Okay, now if you then formula, if you explain the concept, initial velocity and final velocity value. So same formula if using here, then if you initial velocity of u 0 meter second inverse. Okay, and is then car at rest is an initial position. Final velocity v if is value of 12 meter second inverse. Time taken of value 4 second. Okay, it's mean of 4 minus 0, that is the value is 4. Okay, the formula a equal to v minus u by divided by t. 12 minus 0 by 4. Okay, so 12 minus 0 by 4 is mean 12 by 4. Okay, 1 4s are 4, 3 4s are 12. Okay, so the 3 meter second square of acceleration value is the acceleration value. So if the value of 3 meter second inverse. Okay, so if you acceleration same concept, if in theta. Okay, so if you explain the one concept, if you're moving off speed 25 meter second inverse to 30 meter second inverse. Okay, so if you highest to speed value of theta is given for the information by yeah, by my speed changing from 0 to 20 meters second Chittak speed. Okay, so it's mean my speed is mean Chittak speed if it's changing from 0 to 20 meters second for 2 seconds. Okay, so if we are asking the question from above information, can you calculate the acceleration of Chittak? Okay, so what is the acceleration of Chittak if you explain here? Okay, if you given the data, Chittak initial speed is 0 and the final speed is 20 meters second the time is 2 seconds. If we calculate the acceleration of value, a equal to v minus u by t. Okay, to substitute the value of 20 minus 0 divided by 2, this means 20 by 2, and then acceleration of value 10 meters second in square. Okay, so if you 2 second, if acceleration of value to, 10 meters second square, that is the result of this question. Okay, so if you type of acceleration, next if you explain of type of acceleration, so passive acceleration, negative acceleration or deceleration and reductions, and uniform acceleration. Okay, so if you explain the concept, positive acceleration, negative acceleration, and uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration. So what is the positive acceleration? In the velocity of a object increases respect to time if an object said to be in positive acceleration. Okay, or just acceleration. So what is a positive acceleration? If velocity on an object increases respect to time. Okay, so the respect to time is mean if initially 0. Okay, if initially 0 and moving the car. Okay, 0 meter second inverse. If after some time, sometimes it's mean 2 second. If 20 meter second inverse. Okay, so after then 2 second, if you're moving for 40 meter second inverse, after that time if you're moving for 60 meter second inverse, correct? If you increasing for gradually for the same time, so it's called positive of acceleration. Okay, positive of acceleration, and it's the first one. And second, so what is the negative acceleration? If a velocity on object decreases in respect to time, then object said to be in negative acceleration or deceleration and reductions. Okay, so if you same concept, okay, if you same concept. Now, if you 0 meter by second of initial velocity for the 2 second, if a velocity, if you after up 2 second, if you 20 meter second less, okay, same. If you after 2 second, if you moving of velocity is an 10 meter second less, after if you're moving for 40 meter second inverse is not for sorry, if you know, if it decreases value, suppose if you are not for not for 40 meter second inverse, the 4 meter second inverse. Okay, so if it gradually decreases, if it gradually decreases, is mean if it negative of acceleration or deceleration, correct? If it increasing is mean positive acceleration, if it decreasing is mean negative of acceleration. Are you clear? Okay, and given for one sum, the velocity of a blue ball, if you're rolling in a straight line, changing of 8 meter second inverse to 2 meter second inverse for the 10 second. Okay, changing of velocities 8 meter second inverse to 2 meter second inverse. Okay, so very clear. The diagram is explained here. If your initial velocity is 8 meter second inverse, after if you some moving of ball, if you 2 meter second inverse. Okay, so if a time of 10 second, 10 second after, if you're reducing of value 2 meter second inverse. Okay, if you calculate, if you calculate, then declaration, um, declaration, and if I assume the uniform or not uniform. Okay, so it's also explained here. Now if the initial velocity, if a u equal to 8 meter second inverse, correct? If 8 meter second inverse for initial velocity, and final velocity is 2 meter second inverse. If a time taken of 10 second, if you already you know acceleration formula v minus u by t, substitute the value 2 minus 8 divided by 10. So 2 minus 8 divided by 10 is mean minus 6 by 10. Minus 6 by 10 is mean 0.6 meter second square. Okay, so if you minus of value, if you expand of declaration. Okay, what is the meaning? If we gradually decreasing the velocity, it's called declaration. Okay, and uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration. What is a uniform acceleration, non-uniform acceleration? An object undergoes uniform acceleration when changing, increasing or decreasing the velocity is every unit time of same. Okay, so uniform acceleration, non-uniform acceleration. uh, if velocity, listen the concept, if velocity decreasing or increasing for uniformly is called uniform acceleration. Okay, so if we are 20 plus 20, okay, or 40 plus 20, 40 plus 20, 60, 60 plus 20, listen, if you are 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, if it gradually increases for the 20 of the value, so it's called uniform acceleration. Is near. If you're 20 minus of 20 minus of 20 minus of 20 minus of 20, if it gradually, if decreasing of 20 of value is also for uniform acceleration. Are you clear? If increasing the same value, if increase the same value is also uniform acceleration. If decreasing the same value also of uniform acceleration is mean of declaration. Okay, now when we when the velocity of object is increasing by 20 meter second inverse, acceleration of 20 meter second square. So when the velocity of object decreasing of 20 meter second inverse, a deceleration also 20 meter second inverse is correct. Only know if increasing a velocity 20 meter second is mean, if a deceleration also 20 meter 20 meter increasing, if a decreasing of 20 meter is mean also decreasing of value. Okay, and non-uniform acceleration. Okay, so an object undergoes non-uniform acceleration, then changing velocity for every unit, the time is not same. Okay, are you clear? If a time is not same, if a values changes, it's not the same value. So if a velocity of value 0, 10, 40, 60, 70, 50. Okay, so and second, if a 40, 60, 70, 50. Okay, and if a changing of velocity 10, 30, 20, 10, 20. Okay, it's not equal. Okay, if a changing of values. Okay, if a changing of values mean, if then value is not for evenly increases, evenly decreases. Okay, if randomly of a changing of value is causing of non-uniform velocity, non-uniform acceleration. Okay, so if a changing of velocity is not for same for every second, is moving of object if it undergoes non-uniform acceleration. Are you clear, children? Okay, we'll meet in the next class.